We have chosen today's title as Demystifying a Gen Next Life Insurance Plan. Uh, as you recollect, a lot of you had come back to us after our protection webinar, Innovations in Protection Solutions. That's a webinar we had conducted, and a lot of you had shown interest in specific sub-segments of the slides we had discussed. We at Ethical Advisors believe that life insurance is paramount and the most relevant topic in today's time, especially with the global pandemic sweeping the world. And hence, we have with us Mr. Gautam Khan. He's Associate Vice President with ICICI Prudential Life. He, in my view, is an industry veteran. I have had the pleasure of associating with him. He has been with iPro Life for the last 20 years since the firm was formed, and he has seen how products have started and how they've evolved in today's shape and form. So without wasting much time, Gautam, I take pleasure in welcoming you, and do share your thoughts and insights with this elite audience. So over to you, Gautam.
Yeah, thank you so much, Mr. Modi, and it's my pleasure to address such an elite audience. Indeed, life insurance is now no longer a luxury, but it's basically a necessity. Like roti, kapda, and makan. Even life insurance is just like another necessity for all of us. As we all know, India ranks very low in the penetration of life insurance globally, and we at ICICI Prudential strongly believe in mission protection for all. So let me start with the basic concept. This is which is actually missing in everyone, that the human life value, which is actually missing. So let us start with the concept of what is human life value. So we'll by way of this PPT, I will just try to share with you. As you can see, our beloved actors, examples like the untimely deaths which has happened, and there are so many deaths which has been seen around all of us in this pandemic situation, unprecedented situation. Human life value is something which is actually very important. It is the present value of all future income that that all of a future income that you could expect to earn for your family. Now, human life value helps in determining your insurance needs. On the basis of your income kitna hai, aapka expense kya hai, savings kitna hai, and also liabilities will be taken considered. If you can see the example, yahan pe clearly likha hai, retirement age minus current age is equal to the number of years left for the earning income. Now, and when you multiply the figure, just go back to the slide, you will get the average income into the remaining numbers is equal to the, for example, I'll give you an example. My retirement age example is 60, and my age example is 40, and let's assume my earning average income is around 10 lakhs example. So the 2 crore is the sum assured which my human life value. So everyone has a human life value, and in case I have a liability also, example, if I have a home loan example of 25 lakhs or 50 lakhs, so that will also be added to my human life value. So it is very important that I should not look at the human life value, because everyone has a different human life value. I have a different human life value. Mr. Modi will have a different human life value, and we should not actually don't believe in aggregators of website on blindly go by buying a term plan because usne bata diya and we have to buy that, and it is endorsed by somebody. So let's look into it. Are we adequately covered? We should speak to our experts and find out what is the actual human life value each and every person would have. Yeah, so we'll move to the next slide.
Gautam, just one question here, and in fact, just small request, if you could speak up a little louder, it will be fantastic. But just one question here. We typically see a lot of ads, we see a lot of famous actors trying to promote a 1 crore term plan. So is that something which everybody should have, or how does it really work for?
No. We should not blindly look. No, we should not blindly look into those endorsements, and we should not look at those. These are our aggregators. We should actually, everyone should go back with the expert speaking, and he should calculate his own human life value, because everyone will have his own, his own income, or everyone will have his own expense, his savings, and liabilities, etc. So it's very important that we should look into that. Everyone will have a different human life values. And because God forbid something happens to that person, the earning, no, the beneficiary should receive that amount of money in case of his absence. So that should. So
Okay,
presenting to
fair
all
enough.
of you ICICI Prudential iProtect Smart, it has been voted the product of the year, and ICICI Prudential has been our ICICI Pro iProtect Smart has been our top selling product term plan. So as an the next slide I will share with you. This has become much more smarter in terms of, because we have added, earlier we only had regular payment, regular pay as the option. Now we also offer a limited pay option to the customer. Earlier we used to give only till 70 75 years. Now we have increased that age limit to 85 years. And now we can also pay till your earning age, and you can get yourself secured till lifetime, and you can save on premiums as per the premium paying term chosen by you. And you also have the whole life option cover till the age of 99 years. And like, a lot of people were looking out for these benefits. So this is, iProtect Smart is now a lot smarter right now.
Gautam, yeah,
So next
that's
slide.
great. So what you're trying to say is that every person should first find out his own human life value, just like he has the value of his car or his bungalow or his factory. It is very
Right.
important to first arrive at that, do your homework, and then choose a good plan. And you are recommending the flagship product. But why would somebody look at? Is there any important one or two differentiators that that this product offers? I mean,
Yeah.
clearly a buyer would like to know why this versus something else. So, what are the key 2 or 3 features which you think you want to highlight about this product?
Mr. Modi, I just want to highlight one point where, normally a term plan will only give you a death benefit.
You need to speak up a little louder. Sorry.
So normally a term plan will only give you a death benefit. Now here we have a unique term plan where we are not only talking about a death benefit, but we are also taking care of the disability part. Like in the unfortunate event of the life assured meeting an accident and thereby getting total disability, the future premiums are waived off completely in order to reduce the burden of the life assured and his family. However, the life cover also continues for the rest of the term. Now, look at this. Permanent disability means the inability of the life assured to perform at least 3 of the following 6 activities of daily work, जैसे कि mobility, bending, climbing, lifting, writing, blindness. So, what we are doing is we are waiving off the premium. God forbid he meets with a disability part, and meets with an accident and a disability occurs. So, this is one inbuilt feature which, with the base plan, with the with the death benefit, we also will take care of the disability part. That's another benefit which we have added. And if you could move into the next slide,
Okay, so just to pause here for the benefit of the viewers, and for mine as well, what you're saying is that, let's say if I take a plan up to age 85 or 99, and God forbid in 3 years I meet with an accident, I don't die, I meet with an accident, and I have a permanent disability, 3 out of these 6, I don't have to pay my future premiums, and my life cover for
absolutely,
5-6 crores
absolutely,
continue.
absolutely, the future
Oh, wow.
premiums
Okay.
are completely waived off. And in order to reduce the burden of the life assured and family, this plan will continue. That's the best part here in case of disability.
Okay.
If it has, God forbid, if it incurs.
Super. Okay, point taken. Maybe we will touch upon
And
this if any queries further. You were saying something about another slide, so tell us.
So this is another inbuilt feature, like which like normally a death benefit will only cover a death benefit. Here we are also taking care of terminal illness. Now, what happens in a terminal illness? When a person contracts terminal illness, the cost of treatment to be incurred threatens to eat up the savings, family savings and investments, which gets eroded. So, but iProtect Smart, stands by the life assured and his family by paying out the entire cover amount on diagnosis. Only on the diagnosis of it, the company is going to give the entire sum assured that moment of time. This is one of the features which is inbuilt with the base plan, which we are going to talk about.
So, trying to understand this a little better for novices like me, what you're saying is that if I'm assuming a terminal illness is something where a person goes into a coma or something, he doesn't die. So technically,
right.
Maybe your life insurance plan payout will not be triggered in other cases. but if that person
Right.
is seen to be suffering from a disease, which is most likely will result in his death in 6 months, although he's not dead today, ICICI Pru will give him the 2, 3, 4, 5 crore, whatever life cover is chosen. Am I right?
Absolutely, absolutely. So
Wow.
if I've taken a 2 crore example, and God forbid, some terminal illness is diagnosed, the company is going to claim, just on the diagnosis, the company is going to give the entire sum assured that amount, because the doctors have given up on the patient. So hence,
Okay.
we are not going to wait for the death to happen. We are going to give the sum assured that amount of time.
Super.
So that's the beauty of this product, which is inbuilt.
Fair enough. So, okay, those two features seem to be outstanding. Any other compelling
So,
reasons why?
so there are 8 good reasons why you should buy iProtect Smart all in one. So all in one is everything put together. There are 8 good reasons. One is, as I did mention to you, that you get death benefit. You're getting a waiver of premium on disability. You're also getting a terminal illness benefit in the base plan. That's one part. The second benefit, the reason number 2 is enhanced protection with 34 critical illness, enhanced protection by way of accident benefit by just paying a nominal cost, and the whole life cover get covered up to 99 years and leave an assured legacy. Now another reason is extended life cover till 85. The other reason is choice of premium paying term. You can choose either 5 years or 7 years or 10 years, or you also have a flexible payout options, and also the tax benefit under section 80C and 1010D, which you'll be earning. So one by one, if I could just start sharing with you these 8 reasons in detail. So if you could just move to the next slide, so I can just share with you reason number 1. You can just move into the next slide. Yeah, as I had what insurance industry offers is just a term plan. I did mention to you, the other companies are only offering you death benefit. The first policy which covers HIV covered under terminal illness also. Now I have a iProtect Smart. The base plan offers you 3 benefits at the cost of 1: death benefit, terminal illness, plus waiver of premium on disability due to accident. Now, death benefit said, paid upon earlier of diagnosis of terminal
Sorry,
illness
Gautam, you're
or death
cracking
of the
up.
life.
We need you to talk a little louder.
Yes, sir. So I was saying that, death benefit paid upon earlier of diagnosis of terminal illness or death of the life assured. So all 3 benefits are, considered here. Waiver of premium,
Right.
as I did mention to you, that life cover continues without paying any premiums on disability. So the customer has the option or to take a cover till 85 years with terminal illness benefits and waiver of premium on disability due to
Sure.
accident. So the base plan will have all 3 benefits clubbed together.
Sure.
So this is reason number 1 why should we put our money to iProtect Smart.
Wow, this
Now
is
the reason number 2,
lot of critical
yeah,
illnesses which nobody would like to have, but it looks like
yeah.
you guys seem to be offering protection against all of these.
Right. So enhanced protection with critical illness. Now there are 34 comprehensive critical illness covered. As you can see the names here, the lifelong premium are guaranteed for the entire term policy. And in this critical illness, the guaranteed amount paid up to total critical illness benefit amount, irrespective of the actual expenses. Now, if my hospital bills is X, but I have a sum assured of maybe 20 lakhs, so entire sum assured of critical illness of 20 lakhs will be paid. Not the actual bills.
So
And
just
we
taking,
do not want.
sorry to
Yes, sir.
interrupt, but taking a simple example, let's say I have taken a 5 crore cover on my
Right.
life, and I've also taken, let's say, a 25 lakh critical illness cover. How does that work? I mean, if I'm diagnosed, will I get the money, or how does it work? Because I may also have a
So what
Mediclaim.
happened? Yes. So we also have a Mediclaim. I have also taken a critical illness. Now this is over and above the Mediclaim which I am buying for myself, for my family. Now, God forbid something that gets detected out of these 34 illnesses, the entire sum assured of critical illness of 25. Example, you've taken a 25 lakhs critical illness. So entire 25 lakhs will be paid by the company, and the rest of the cover will continue, and that way. So this is going to really take care of my burden, of it will not hit my savings or it will not hit my investments So critical illness really works out well during this times.
Okay, so looks like how Amitabh Bachchan used to transfer the prize money in Kaun Banega Crorepati. ICICI Pru will be very kind enough to. Okay, good. Fair enough. Fair enough. Let's move on. We have lots of
Yeah.
features. So,
Yeah. So reason number three why we should add accident disability benefit. This is over and above. Of course, the base plan also, like God forbid death happens anyhow, naturally or accidentally, my family is going to get the benefit. But here, by just paying a nominal cost, under accident disability benefit, I can get 2x of sum assured. For example, if I'm taking 2 crores, and if I can opt by just paying nominal premium, I can add additional 2 crores for my family, and God forbid that accident then death happens, my family is going to get 2 plus 2, which is 4 crores. So this enhanced protection is at a nominal cost.
okay. Fair enough. I think this is pretty clear. So basically,
Yes.
you're just enhancing your cover. You're taking a life cover of 2 crore and probably enhancing it with another accidental. So in case the guy gets run over by a truck, the person who is insured, the wife will not get 2, she'll get 2 plus 2. Fair enough. I think that's
Absolutely.
yes.
Perfect.
Okay. Can you also now tell us what this whole life pay is? Something that you were trying to tell us when you got interrupted.
So we also gave you a cover till 99 years. So
Volume,
that's a
please.
whole life option, which yeah. So you can pay only for 10 years and enjoy the cover whole life and leave a legacy. So you can plan your legacy as well as enjoy the protection for life. Also option, to pay till 60 years and enjoy the cover till whole life. That is till 99 years.
Okay.
So this is another reason why, iProtect Smart is all in one is the best.
Okay.
And the other reason, if you just go on the next slide.
Legacy sounds like an interesting word. There are lots of queries from viewers who could not.
I will share.
Come to that
Yes,
later.
I will share you more thoughts in the next slide on the legacy part also.
Fantastic.
If you can just So reason number 6, there is a choice of premium paying term, like the customer or life assured can choose not only regular pay but also limited pay option of 5, 7 years, 10 years, and also maybe till the age 60 years if somebody would want to pay. So all these premium paying term options are given. So exciting flexibility options are available for the customers to avail.
So what you're saying is that I
slide.
can choose till what year I want coverage, 85, 99, 70, whatever. But I can pay the premiums in just 10 years or up to 60 years or something.
Absolutely.
Okay, fair enough.
Absolutely.
So then what is the payout option? Sorry.
Yes. So, this works like an income replacement, So some people would want as a lump sum money coming to them. But when the lump sum money comes to them, the majority of the money, gets, so when a family receives a lump sum amount immediately after the death of the primary bread winner, there's always a risk of the money getting spent either fully or major part of it. So this is where the income replacement option becomes useful, as it allows family to get money different. So either you can choose a lump sum amount, or you can choose as a monthly income coming to you, or maybe you can choose as a debit coming to as a income, but 10% every year, or you can choose. Some of people can choose the sum assured as a lump sum plus balance amount you can choose as in over 10 years.
Okay, fine.
So part amount can be taken as lump sum. So the beneficiary can choose lump sum or 10 years. So all these options are available right now for the customer, that in case God forbid something happens. So not only the lump sum options are available, the payout options, there are various monthly income options available, increasing income option, lump sum income option is also available.
All right. That's pretty clear. Thanks.
Yeah. Yes. Tax benefit. There are, if you can see, Section 80C for the premiums paid on, the base plan, and also Section 80D, which comes under the insurance, the health part, because critical illness benefit option is also given. So Section 80D benefit is also on the premiums paid on the critical illness benefit option. And Section 1010D is applicable to all the proceeds. Like, God forbid death happens and the money comes to the beneficiary. This will be all tax-free under Section 1010D of income tax. So all three benefits of tax will be availed by the customer. So 80C, 80D, as well as Section 1010D. These are the three tax benefits the customer can avail. Now,
Okay.
this is, yes. So
I
if
think
you
this
could
is,
look at this,
yes.
yeah.
Well, I think that's pretty clear, and that probably applies to insurance products. So that's great. One question, in fact, a lot of questions we've fielded from our customers who could not attend, from our friends who could not attend, is that while we keep talking of penetration, there is this somehow a section of uninsured mass in India, which feels that we have enough mutual funds and enough shares, and so why bother? Why waste premiums? So, is there a solution that can help address this issue? That if I die, my wife or my survivor gets X lakhs or X crores, but if I survive beyond the age chosen, I would rather get something back. The traditional plans used to offer that earlier. The endowment plans, I'm not sure if those are offering enough protection. So, anything that ICICI Pro offers to for such segment.
Yeah, so for such segment, we have this beautiful solution called as iProtect Smart Money Back, wherein whatever premiums I've paid, to the company, I will, not only enjoy my cover but also get my premiums back, and I can enjoy my cover till 85. So if you can go on subsequent slides, you will, so you can get back more than what you paid. So this is just an example, like a 35-year-old person, he's a professor, he needs a life cover of 50 lakhs and he pays the premium for 30 years. He chooses a term plot 30 years. And plus at the same time, he is also enjoying the cover till 65, God forbid something happens, the entire 50 lakhs will be paid. In case nothing happens, he's getting back the
Okay.
premiums, whatever he's paid over a period of 30 years.
Okay, so that's
So it's a
interesting.
dual benefit which is
that probably
yes.
We can suggest to our friends who are looking for this option. So you pay for 30 years.
Correct.
God forbid in these 30 years, if death happens, he gets 50 lakhs, which is the sum assured. But if he indeed
Yes.
survives, and that's what most of us want, we want to survive. So then he gets whatever premium is paid, that or more he gets back on survival. Is that the product you're talking about?
Yes.
Oh,
yes,
lovely.
yes.
Okay.
We're talking about.
Good. There are two persons, one of whom has taken a pure term plan. The other one seems to have taken a term plan with a money back option. Both are paying for 10 years. The one who has opted for a pure term plan gets no benefit on survival, whereas just by paying a little extra, Ronak gets his entire 10-year premium back. Whatever is paid, he gets it back on survival. Fair enough.
Discount on the total premiums paid plus return of premium. So this is what we talk about iProtect Smart Money Back. So a 35-year-old person, male life for a life cover of 1 crore, he gets, he'll enjoy. In iProtect Smart, normal regular pay, he pays X amount. In iProtect Smart Money Back, he pays a limited pay, and total premium he pays around, in money back, around 60,000 into 10 years, which is 6 lakhs. Here in iProtect Smart, he pays 18,000 into 50 years, which is nearly 9 lakh rupees. So, maturity value, this person would get 6,33,000, what he's actually paid, he's getting it back. Plus, he will also enjoy the cover till 85. So, not only is getting a discount on the total premiums paid, plus he's also getting the return of premium. That is what the message here is on iProtect Smart Money Back.
Okay, so I will just pause here because a lot of numbers and figures may be confusing to our viewers. What we are trying to, and at least that's what I understood, that A, you can choose your coverage term up to whatever age you want. Secondly, it's better to pay up in the 10 years instead of waiting for the full term of the plan. Let's say you've taken a 40-year policy or a 30-year policy. Try to pay off your premiums in the first 10 years where you save 30-35% on the total outgo. And then also smartly choose a return of premium plan where, like the illustration earlier, you can get back whatever money you paid. At the same time, enjoy the cover. So there are 2 or 3 things that you are packaging in this option.
Perfect.
Okay. Thanks so much. Now, yes, I can see you flashing your legacy planning. Can you help us understand by using these instruments, what do you mean by legacy planning and how our viewers can take advantage of a term plan? Uh, I have no idea. So,
Under a legacy planning, see, normally people they have a lot of options while designing a legacy planning for themselves. A lot of people, they put their money into gold. Real estate is something which is more popular. But where the challenge here lies behind here is it's a fixed asset, a non-liquid asset. The post-tax returns, the proceeds will be all taxable. There's a cumbersome process and due diligence. And also children mostly they settle abroad, and so nobody takes care of those real estate. If real estate is being taken as a legacy planning, so these are the challenges. Now let me give an example, like a person who takes a 2 crore property, and he suppose he takes a 2 crore property, and he has to buy suppose doesn't have money for that, of course. So what he'll do is take a home loan. So when he's taking a home loan, he'll have to pay a EMI of around 2.64 lakh rupees per month for 10 years, so which works out to be nearly nearly 3 crores, because 2.64 into 12 months is around nearly 3 crores. There's a maintenance cost which he pays. There's also a renovation cost which he pays. So for a 2 crore property, he may end up paying around 5 crores, nearly 5.2 crores. So here, what we are suggesting to someone is, like, you can create a legacy for just by a little more than 1 month's EMI, and you just pay a premium of around 3 lakh rupees, that too annually, for 5 years. That's it. And you can design a legacy for till 85 years. You can enjoy the cover till 2 crore. Definitely you're going to leave that 2 crore for your loved ones behind. So the legacy planning as a term plan, it with a significant cover at a low cost, because you can see 3 lakhs I'm just paying for 5 years, which is nearly 15 lakhs. I just have to pay 15 lakhs. I'm building a legacy of around 2 crore. If I'm buying a home loan of 2 crores, I end up paying more than 5 crores. There's a interest which is built in. There is a maintenance cost. There is this renovation cost, etc., etc. It doesn't, so where I would not suggest someone to take real estate as the, legacy planning. So
okay.
this much more smarter, for somebody who takes a bigger I Protect Smart of a jumbo case of 5 crore or a 10 crore, and you pay maybe 2.5 lakh rupees. That's it for 10 years, and you can build up a 5 crore or a 10 crore kind of a legacy for your loved ones.
So what you're
This makes
saying
more
is that
sense.
you can actually, literally out of thin air, create a corpus or a legacy for your to leave back for your 5 family kids. Because what you're suggesting is, okay, let's take a practical example of Mr. Sharma, one of our clients. He has land, he has property, he's maintaining that. He's obviously borrowed to buy that huge bungalow in Alibag, etc. And it's a pain to maintain. So what you're saying is, instead of
Term plan for
spending time and money, just go for a term plan, take a limited pay, just a small annual sum. God, obviously, the person would like to enjoy a big life, but God forbid he dies. And that's what legacy planning is all about. Instead of leaving back paperwork and succession stuff on the hard assets like property, this is straight the proceeds of this, whatever 2 crores, 5 crores goes to his family. Yeah,
yes,
okay,
yes.
fine. So we understood legacy. I think it's it's almost like a new idea that you are leaving with our audience on the legacy part. Anything else that you would specifically like to highlight before we go
On
into?
the legacy part, on the legacy part, I just wanted to say that the land prices, they keep increasing, but the cost of the house keeps depreciating. So it's not a good idea of real estate as a legacy planning. So I would suggest someone to take a term plan as a legacy planning.
Fair enough. Or a combination of the two if you already have that. Fair enough. So you were saying we did cover the legacy part. Good. You were talking about certain very important features. Can you help us understand that?
Yeah, so the last thing you want after buying a term plan is insurance money not given to the near ones, like wife or children, because your relatives or creditors may wrongfully claim the insurance amount. you have the option to protect it, by buying iProtect Smart under Married Women's Property Act, because this is the legal way of ring fencing your personal assets or even family wealth, because there can be loan defaults, there can be business failures, there can be property attachments, and there can be untimely death, there can be legal complications, also these are common for entrepreneurs and senior management professionals. There's common for business owners, business family members, even high net worth individuals. So it's really important to ring fence ourselves with a powerful tool known as Married Women's Property Act. This is one tool which is absolutely free. This is an addendum where a married man can take for his wife and children. So iProtect Smart, if you want to buy, you can you can safeguard it with this powerful asset under Married Women's Property Act. This is
Okay,
one thing.
fantastic. So what you're saying is that in terms of safeguarding or ring fencing your legacy, if you can tie up, a married man can take a big cover, pay that limited premium, which he can technically get back also under the return of premium plan that you suggested, and at the same time choose
Correct.
those options. So all these options make your iProtect Smart a pretty dynamic and a vibrant plan. Okay, I think
Perfect.
that's fantastic. And some of the questions that we were also fielding earlier, Gautam, was as probably your slide suggests, and I'll probably go to that. What are the credentials of ICICI Prudential? Because in the past, there have been news flows on certain smaller companies, not being up to it. So, what are the brand strengths that ICICI Prudential brings to the audience? Can you just touch upon that, please?
Yeah. Yeah. So you can trust ICICI Prudential as we are a very strong brand. Uh, uh, we have an asset under management of more than 1,60,000 crore. The year of establishment is December 2000. We've been there since, so more nearly 20 years. We maintain a high solvency margin. The regulator allows us 150%, but we have maintained more than 215%. Our claim settlement ratio is 98.58, which is one of the best. Uh, so if you can see the slide, the purpose of buying a term plan will not be served at the time of buying, but at the time of claims. So that's why claims history plays an important role with the insurance company. So we have a decent claim settlement ratio. The best part here is consistent claim settlement ratio. ICICI Prudential has the best average claim settlement ratio since last 10 years. If you look at the brand strength, we've been awarded as the best insurance firm of the year 2018, also best term insurance provider for the year 2017-18, and one of the best valuable brands in India as per brands. And we were given the product of the year award in 2019 last year. So it makes it, it makes it that, whenever you're buying a term plan, we should also visualize that, this company is going to stay for 20, 30, 40 years than money. So look at this slide. Very interesting. We now settle the life claim in just one day. Earlier we used to do it in 2.3 days. Now it has come down drastically to 1 day. That kind of fastest claim settlement ratio, within 1 day we settled. Now this is something, if you can see on this slide, Precious Life, it's a term plan that covers even with the existing health condition, someone who has some health conditions, so we don't directly decline the case. We have cases where we have given it to this product to people who have sugar or maybe hypertension, or they have asthmatic. So there are a lot of reasons the company may decline the policy, but we do give it to people who are obese or who have who are inclined, who want a term plan, but because of health conditions they don't buy a term plan, or they are not being given by a term plan by any other insurance company. So this is a unique product. For the first time we have launched for this audience, this category of audience, where I know that I can offer a term plan to even these set of customers.
Just
So this is
pausing
something.
here, what
Yeah.
you're saying is
Yes.
that I know for a fact and a lot of our friends and family have been struggling with this for the last many years. So what you're saying is that in case somebody has an illness and there is absolutely no hope that they've seen so far, this precious life term plan does give them a window of opportunity to go
Absolutely.
for a life cover. Okay, okay.
Yeah.
That's a good humane gesture, I would say. It really
Not
helps.
only that, not only that, the person can apply for the policy first and go in for a medical checkup, and post that the company is going to,
Fair.
you can pay the money to the company.
I'm pretty sure I'm going to reach out to this segment. I know because it will be, if nothing else, we'll be doing them a bit of a service and help them,
Correct.
get the coverage. I think that's more important. And probably take your mission protection for all to the next level.
Yes. So even this category, housewives, is one category where we cater to. We're giving insurance cover to housewives up to 50 lakhs
Oh,
with
wow. Okay.
yeah,
So
financial
again,
interest.
housewives,
Yes.
I mean, what is so unique about giving some cover to, would she anyway not get from other insurance companies?
No, of course.
I mean,
I'm
why
talking about, like,
is
yes,
housewife
yes.
unique? I mean, I didn't understand.
So housewife is also important category. We also give. They are also eligible for a life cover, a term plan, but we have restricted to them till 40, 50 lakhs only with all benefits, and subject to, husband's insurance cover is mandatory. So we will require, because two things which we looking at is the financial underwriting as well as the medical underwriting.
Right.
So where the housewife will have to undergo medical checkup also, as we will require husband's insurance cover also, because the company would want to look into the insurable interest also of the, person. Hence the housewife window is open,
Okay.
where we give cover to housewives also.
I remember when I was working in the US, some of my friends used to gift on their anniversaries some kind of a cover. So this seems to be like a solution we can now use even for our wives here in India, right?
Yes, yes, absolutely.
Okay.
We've got a lot of inquiries, after this COVID things happens. A lot of male life, when they buy it for their houses also nowadays, and it's become, like, we have got so many cases for houses also. So
Good. So on a lighter note, ICICI Prudential is promoting gender equality. That's good to know. That's good to know.
yes, yes,
Okay. So I guess what you're showing us is a joint life plan can also be used for this.
yes. Joint life also, husband and wife both can apply for it, and with a lower premium for your wife, and limited pay options also available, savings on premiums, and you can help. Both husband and wife can take a plan together.
Fantastic.
And of course, this special segment for NRIs also, we have made it possible. They can purchase from the country of residence. But currently, the norms is working like you have to be in India for 20 days, and the medical checkup will be compulsory. So for this segment, of course, the medical, because he has to be in India for 20
Oh,
days at least, and so there are some, you know there are
precondition.
some guidelines for, conditions for the NRIs also.
Fantastic. Okay, I guess, Gautam, I guess we have reached to the fag end of a very educative, very informative, and very knowledgeable presentation. We at Ethical Advisors always promote well-being. We always promote planning, and hence we are happy to offer life insurance, including up to 19 plans in conjunction with ICICI Prudential, but also a whole host of one-stop shop solutions for you and your family members. Do write to us or get in touch with us via WhatsApp or through our website, contact us page. We also have a fairly robust library of content which we are hosting on our website, and we hope that will be of use to you. Gautam, thank you very much. We really appreciate your time. What we'll do is we'll create a kind of a feedback list, and if there's anything that people want or of our participants or their friends are keen to know more about protection products from iPro Life, we'll make sure that they get in touch with you. and clearly it's been a wonderful session. So thanks again, and look forward to working with you guys in the future. Thanks to ICICI Prudential, and thanks to everybody for attending.
Yeah, thanks so much. And on behalf of ICICI Prudential, I would like to assure our viewers that given our strong brand, highly innovative products, and excellent levels of service, both during onboarding and claim settlement, they and their loved ones will get the maximum benefit in the long term. I once again thank you and Ethical Advisors for giving me the opportunity today to present my views. So look forward to any queries from anyone from the esteemed audience. Thank you so much for your time. Thanks.
Thanks a lot. Thanks again. With this, we end today's webinar and look forward to interacting more. Cheers.